issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cook County and north central Texas until 4:15 p.m. At 3:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Sanger, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Gainesville, Callisburg, Lake Kiowa, Ray Roberts Park, Johnson Branch and Valley View. This includes the following interstates. Interstate 35 between mile markers 483 and 498. Interstate 30 between mile markers 483 and 498. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for north central Texas.